Good morning. Welcome to Ohio Valley Weather. Here's your comprehensive weather forecast for today. Good afternoon. I'm Tempest with your national weather summary for November 3, 2025. If you're in the Northwest or Northern California, get ready for some unsettled weather over the next couple of days. We're expecting heavy rain starting Tuesday and continuing into Wednesday as a low-pressure system moves in from the Pacific Ocean. This will also bring strong winds to southwest Oregon tonight and to coastal parts of Northern California later on. Across much of the country, you'll notice warmer temperatures than usual due to what we call zonal flow, basically, air moving mostly from west to east. While this means above-average warmth for most areas, it's not so good news for the Northwest and Northern California, where the same pattern brings in more rain. On the flip side, folks in the high plains can expect dry conditions with some breezy days ahead, which unfortunately increases the risk of wildfires. Looking further into next week, we're seeing a shift in our weather patterns. The forecast suggests that by Thursday and Friday, several disturbances will move across the country from west to east. By the weekend, though, things get more complex as a deep low-pressure system approaches the west coast, while high pressure builds over the Intermountain West. This setup could bring some wintry conditions to higher elevations in the west and northern New England. For those of you in the northern tier of states, expect persistent chances for rain or snow through this period, with similar weather patterns affecting the Ohio and Tennessee valleys as well. As we move into next week, an Arctic cold front will push southward across much of the central and eastern U.S., bringing colder temperatures to these areas. That's the picture for now. We'll keep you updated. Good afternoon. This is Tempest with your extended weather outlook for November 3rd, 2025 DY. Over the next few days, we're going to see some interesting changes in our weather patterns across the country. Starting off on Thursday and Friday, you can expect a series of disturbances moving from west to east, bringing us some unsettled conditions as they pass through. As we move into the weekend, things are really going to shift. We're looking at a deep low-pressure system approaching the west coast, which will be countered by strong high pressure developing over the Intermountain region and another trough forming in the east. This setup is likely to bring some rain or snow to parts of the northern United States, with the potential for wintry weather in higher elevations of the west and northern New England. For those in the Ohio and Tennessee valleys, you might experience intermittent periods of precipitation as well. The big change will come when an Arctic cold front sweeps south across the central and eastern U.S., bringing colder temperatures to much of the country. While our models are in pretty good agreement about this overall pattern, there's still some uncertainty around exactly how and when these systems will affect your area. For instance, we're watching a shortwave that's expected to cross from the central part of the United States on Friday into the eastern regions by Saturday. Its exact path could influence where you see the most precipitation. That's the extended outlook. Check back for updates as we get closer. Thank you for watching Ohio Valley Weather. Stay weather aware and have a great day.